Dispatch, we're ditching.
Ditching. Airspeed 122, Matt. Race! 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 Race!
Hi, I'm Millicent Angelica Cabasi, Midi for short. So, I am currently working here as a training assistant. So, kami po ang nag-guide sa trainees at nagda-demo ng mga activities para maayos nilang magawa.
Alright, hi, Brown here. I'm here with Sec Isagani. Yan. First time kukuha si Sec na helicopter underwater escape training. O ano yung in-expect mong gagawin natin dito?
Kailangan yun sa mga crew na sasampa ng
Offshore.
offshore.
Yeah.
Kami rin yung nag-i-ensure ng safety nila. So, kaya kailangan namin i-demo para magamit nila yung equipment ng maayos. Like, ito, yung EBS natin or yung rebreather natin.
I have with me Sir Robert and to the other side is Sir Gabriel. Both of them, they're going to use the compressed air EBS. How many times have you been using this compressed air already?
Oh, compressed air, at least 4 times.
About you, Sir Gabriel?
Second time, third time.
Your third time already. So what can you say about our facility?
Beautiful setting, well equipped,
Alright.
clean, very helpful. People.
Si Joanna, ayan. Natapos niya na sa wakas.
Na kayo mag-offshore.
Bakit naman?
Napakahirap.
Bawang nakapagtrabaho ka naman sa office.
Maganda, syempre.
Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko naman pinagmamalaki. Pero yung mga nagtatrabaho sa offshore, naiiba. Magaganda.
Wow.
At saka, yan, sexy tignan nyo katawan.
Grabe, sama ni Sir.
Hindi mo na.
Sir,
Ano masasabi mo
side up
muna sa
yan.
ginawa mo kapon? Practical exercise. Ito naman kasi yung ginagawa natin. Paghahanda naman kasi natin.
Yes, for
Hindi
safety
natin
naman po.
masasabi.
For safety yun, pag nag-work sa offshore.